Ynys Baines ar tafliad Ryan Edwards yn y cwrt Cosby yn aros am gefnogaeth. Gwasgu hon i'r canol, mae'n lledwydd Amadi, oddi ar y trawst yn wastraffus, ond dyna gyfle gorau'r gêm. Yr ymosodwr yn gwastraffu'r cyfle, nid taro'r bar o leia. Tom Holland. Cwestiwn allweddol yw pa mor hir y gall Aberystwyth barhau ar pwysau hyn. Walker yn y cyfamser yn gadarn. Gwaith da, y bil yn dod at Matty Jones, o gwastraffu cyfle eiredd. Brobl i'r canol, pil dda, Routledge yn tanio. Mae Comic mas i arbed. Seintiau dro i dro yn torri trwy'r arfwisg. Kellaway yn troi. Gyflym heibiodd i ddyn. Parhau mae Jeff Kellaway. Tacl beryglus iawn o'r cefen, ond parhau i chwarae mewn i'r dyfarnwr. Kellaway i'r canol. Ag i mewn i rwyd! Y liman wedi chodi. Phillips a'i ben yn ei ddwylo methu credu'r peth. Kellaway ar garlam lawr y dde. Y groesiad yn wych. A Phillips yn ei chladdu ddi. Cynorthwyd y dyfarnwr yn codi liman i sbwylo'r parti. Matthew Jones i gymryd i. Digon o symud ar y postyn pella mewn â hi. Jenkins ei mewn! Y tîm cartre ar y blaen. Jenkins yr eilydd yn dathlu, Aberystwyth yn dathlu. A Lee Jenkins a nôl mewn i'r tîm. Ac yn syth yn creu argraff ar ei rheolwr a'i dîm a'r cefnogwyr. Gornel i mewn i'r canol, mae Comic yn ei tharau. Brobl, yr ergyd gan Brobl. Oddi ar y linell. Gan 1, 2 neu 3 o chwaraewyr Aberystwyth. Ac yn y cyfamser y bil ymlaen tuag at Kellaway sydd wedi curo'r amddiffyn. Ar dacl, funud ola. Yn ddigon i achub y Seintiau a rhwystro'r tîm cartre rhag mynd 2 ar y blaen. John Routledge ar amddiffynwr yn rhithro nôl i drio dal Jeff Kellaway a sim llawer o bobl. Dal Kellaway ar ôl iddo fe guro'r amddiffyn. Parhau mae Jamie Mullen. Bas tuag at Brobl yn methu'r darged. Pêl wych gan Kellaway. Nembad yn darllen i'n anghywir. A nawr Phillips yn parhau. Phillips o bellter! Mae rhoi pen tost i'r amddiffynwr Josh Nembad. Spender. Routledge. Wrth da gan y Seintiau. Bêl i'r canol. A Brobl! Cyfle eiredd. Cyfle prin iawn i'r Seintiau prynhawn yma. Sargent yn codi ddi dros y wal a mae Comic yn gafel yn ddi. Ac yn claddu hunan mor ddwfn ag eiffau mewn i'r tir. Yna fuddugoliaeth enwog yma ar goedlan y parc heno.
Nev Powell, you beat the new Saints. You don't say that too often.
I haven't said it for a few years, have I? So, players were fantastic tonight for me. You know, it doesn't get any better than that. We had a game plan, we worked to a T, and you know, we matched a full-time team with a lot of resources, and we've got the 3 points which we fully deserved. You know, we played some good football. We had numerous chances. On another day, we could have got a couple more, but you've got to be happy to. You know, we would have been happy, more than happy with the point there tonight, and to get the 3 is magnificent because the character of the lads was second to none.
Yeah, and it wasn't a smash and grab, was it? It was a deserved victory.
Fully deserved, all over the park. You know, everyone had a job to do. They stuck at it. They'd done their job. You know, some people might have said we'd get tired and we wouldn't be able to keep that up for 90 minutes, but we did. You know, we looked the stronger side in the closing stages, and you know, and that's without Ash Duan and Alan Goodall. Lads have come in, and it says everything about what we've got in that dressing room. You know, the set of lads we've got in there, and they're all working for each other. And you know, apart from Terry's own goal last week, where he's headed it in, that's our 4th clean sheet on the bounce. So we're doing okay. You know, it's only another 3 points. We won't get carried away with it. You know, we're on 20 points now, so you know, we've got another 10 to go to hopefully get in that top 6, which will be our aim. But you know, there's a lot of points to be played for, and we've got some tough games ahead, so we won't be carried away with it.
Lee Jenkins, oedd hi'n dipyn o gol, disgrifio beth y gwyddoedd?
Nes i just gadw chi ar y pêl, dath y draw, nes oedd e pawb a chan a tapos i mewn y gol, a Lucas. O'n i ddim pwys nôl gymaint, so ath ddim drosto yn cael gol i ennill i gêm. Yn erbyn y champions, wych.
we're stuttering. We're doing well one week and average the next. So, you know, in a time where we want to pick the points up and open a gap up, it's not happening for us, and there's things to work on.